Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to polish some Mazda Speed 3 headlights. I don't know if you can see how dingy that one is. They're not, they're pretty cloudy, but here's the one I just did. So you can do this with stuff that everybody usually has at home, some toothpaste. I use a scrubby sponge, put it on there kind of dry, rub it in for a while, and then we'll rinse it clean. Here, I'll start the video so you guys can see. I'll just put a dab of the toothpaste on there. I like to do swirling motions. You're trying to buff it off. Grit in the toothpaste acts as an abrasive, so it kind of polishes off the first coating of the headlight that's been damaged by the sun and bugs and dirt. Now this don't last forever, because once the initial UV coating's off the headlights, they just keep getting messed up time and time again, but you can just do this every once in a while. It's pretty much free. The more you polish here, the better they turn out. I like to go until it starts getting real dry and more abrasive. You can feel it smoothing out. Push as hard as you can on this step. Make sure you rinse all the toothpaste off the car too. Come in for a close-up. You can see it's pretty good. Still a little bit of hazing right here to the center. So I'm gonna polish that a little more. And it looks pretty good. A couple minutes of your time and some old toothpaste, guys, and make your headlights look brand new. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap these headlights anyways. So I want them as clear as possible before I put the Vivid headlight wrap on. But they should stay nicer longer once they're wrapped. But hey guys, so we finished the headlights. They're pretty clear, but what happens when they start to dry, you'll see they're slightly foggy from the abrasiveness of the toothpaste and the sponge. So after that, the final stage is you can get some wax and hand buff these out, and that'll help keep them this slick look, nice clarity. But you can see where it's drying, it kind of has a haze. So I'm going to buff these out afterwards, and they'll look a lot better and they'll stay nicer. So just want to give you a final tip on that. Thanks, guys.